Hello, I'm Roger Sanders with APT Manufacturing Solutions. We're the exclusive provider of advanced manufacturing education cells for Fanuc America. I'm here to introduce our MTEC-SIM. MTEC-SIM stands for Machine Tending Education Cell Simulator. So the system, as you see here, is in its slap state so it can be moved where you want to use it. It's a portable, very small system, and once you have it in the room, it expands out to be usable. We have a side table that lifts up, locks into place for work surface off the side. The CNC simulator extends out to be used by a student for training and easy access to seeing the robot operation and the simulation in the background. The cell does have an interlocked side door, so when you need access to the robot to do training, do operations, with the door open, the robot stops, and you can set your parts in. You can do any training you want to over here in a safe system. This particular unit has Fanuc Ir Vision on it, so it has vision guidance or error proofing. When we do the vision package, we include an error proofing block. Error proofing is quality check on the product. So we include a good part and a bad part so students can learn to do inspection. Other nice features of the system is the keyboard and mouse is included with it to use the simulator. The robot teach pendant is mounted on an adjustable holder up front that protects the teach pendant and keeps it in a nice area. Included storage for components for training, lockable. It's a fully self-contained unit. It includes its own onboard air compressor, the robot controller. Everything need to operate is part of the cart. So one connection to 110 volts and you have a working system. This cart is on casters to be moved around. It does have leveling feet so it can be set and leveled on an uneven floor. You can also train on this system between robot training, vision training, CNC operation, mill and lathe, both 3-axis mill, 2-axis lathe. So the certifications that you can earn with our MTEC-SIM, you can learn level 1, level 2 robot certification, which is basic robot programming, vision advanced training. You can also do your preliminary training for your NIM certificate through the CNC and do your CNC work.